So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use or apply animated home screen or animated wallpaper on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first go to Play Store and search here G-Edge. So this is the app that you guys wanted to install. So go ahead and tap on install. Now simply open this application, tap on accept and continue. You can also tap on allow if you wanted to, and simply you can tap on cross icon if you wanted to dry. From here you will need to go to video wallpapers. You can tap on popular, whatever you wanted to. So I'm just going to sort out this with popular. So not everything here is free. You will need to scroll down and see whatever it's free. Like this one here, this one is free, and you can swipe down and try to find more other free versions of the wallpapers, and this one as well. Go to this wallpaper right now and you can see if you go swipe on left, you can get as much as other video wallpapers which are free. You can see that. So to download, just tap on download and set video wallpaper and tap on set, and you can tap this as home screen and lock screen. It's up to you. Now go back and there we go, and tap the wallpaper, and you can see that this is working perfectly fine. So you can see that this one is also working perfectly fine. Well, explore and hunt some good wallpaper on G-Edge. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.